In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new discount code for your online store. This is a great way to attract more customers and boost your sales, so let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the main administrative dashboard of your store. Once you're here, locate the store section. This is typically where you manage all aspects of your business, including inventory, orders, and of course, discounts. Click on Store to get started. Now that you've reached the store section, look for the discounts option in the menu. Discounts are a powerful tool to encourage more purchases, clear out old inventory, or reward loyal customers. Go ahead and select discounts from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage all of your current discount codes. If you already have some codes in place, they'll be listed here, giving you a quick overview of their performance. Moving forward, we're going to create a brand new discount code. Find and click on the Create New Code button. This step begins the process of generating your discount. When setting up a discount, it's crucial to think about what kind of value it offers your customers and how it aligns with your business goals. Now we enter the conditions for this discount. Conditions are the rules that dictate how and when your discount can be applied. You might want to offer a percentage off, such as 10% on all items, or set a fixed amount discount for specific products. Some businesses prefer to apply conditions based on order value or customer groups. Take your time to carefully consider these conditions, as they can significantly impact the effectiveness of your promotional campaign. Remember, the goal is to offer enough value to entice your customers while still protecting your profit margins. Once you've determined the best conditions for your discount, it's time to save the new code. Double check all the details to ensure there are no mistakes, as a misplaced digit or wrong condition could lead to confusion later. When you're sure everything is correct, click the Save button. This step finalizes and activates your discount code, making it ready for your customers to use. To wrap things up, creating a well-thought-out discount not only enhances your marketing strategy, but also provides customers with incentives to choose your products over the competition. Keep in mind that you can always return to the discount section if you need to adjust this promotion or add new ones in the future. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to check out the other resources or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy selling!